A participle synopsis is going to show you all the possible forms of the participle. So based on tense, present, perfect, future, and voice, active, and passive. So let's take a look at how to do a participle synopsis of the verb defero, which means to bestow or to bring down, carry down. First, it's important to note that there are two participles that do not exist. There's no present passive participle, and there's technically no perfect active participle. Deponent verbs, a little different, but it'll still be the same form as the perfect passive. To start, we're going to do our present active participle, which would come from your first or second principal part, and you're going to bring your stem up, defaire. This verb, it's irregular, but we'll use the E as the connecting vowel and add the NS to deferens. The perfect passive participle is your fourth principal part, so we'll just write that in here, delatus. Your future active participle is going to use the perfect passive form, but we're going to add something in there. So we have delat, but before we add the ending, we're going to make sure we add a UR for future, and then the us, And then finally, the future passive form. We'll use the same principal parts as the present active. So we have the defaire as our stem coming from here. And then we add the connecting vowel. This one uses the ND and then the US.